Okay, another release for today, and that is from Queen of Audio. They have released their, I think this will be their first Tribrid hybrid earphone. It's coming with two balance armature and one dynamic driver. It's not cheap. It's $180. I think they are trying to make this compete with uh I think they're trying to make this compete with other Tribrids in the $100 to $200 range, like the Fiio FH3, I think the Chauzy Rouge, Chauzy Rouge. There are so many Tribrid in that price range that it's looking to compete with. It looks really nice, honestly. I'm not gonna lie, it really looks nice. Queen of Audio is the budget division of KBEAR. KBEAR is the proprietary primary company of the brand, so this is pretty much like a sister brand. They normally take up the budget section of it. These brands, they have their sister budget brands, similar to Fiio having JadeAudio as their budget sister brand. You have Try brand that has KBEAR as their budget line. These brands, they do have the sub brands that tend to produce budget stuff for people that may not be able to afford the more premium stuff that they have in their main lineup. So the Queen of Audio Adonis comes with a sensitivity of 113 decibels. Impedance is 21 ohms. It's coming with a 3.5 millimeter. It's also using a 0.78 2-pin connection. It is really beautiful. It's put in a wooden shell. It is beautifully made. Like, this is a very cool looking earphone. It even has the color that suits me. It has a very purple galaxy like design to it. I wish that it had more color options, but I don't think this is bad. I think this would really appeal to anybody that wants a very fashionable earphone and something that would attract someone that, I think this is even more feminine than male, because it really looks glossy. And then we now have to come to the frequency response on this particular earphone. This is a very neutral tuned earphone from what I'm seeing here. This is a very neutral / bright tuned earphone. If this graph is to be taken like what it sounds should be like, I don't know whether bass heads would like the sound. I don't know. I'm a bass head. I love bass. I can't see any elevation in this graph. I can only see a very smooth tuned earphone that really works very well to impress. I think this would be very monitor tuned. Like, from what I'm seeing here, it certainly looks like something people that want to monitor their music is going to get, like for studio work. This really looks too balanced for my liking, but it is what it is. Every earphone would not be V-shaped or elevated in the upper bass region and all that, so not every earphone would be like that. Some are technically going to be designed to be very neutral and very neutral technically. So it is what it is. It's priced at $180. There is some discount as well there, so you can check it out if you're interested in this new product. Do subscribe to our channel, do like our content, follow us on social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.